What's up mga amigos and mga amiga? Nandito po kami sa San Remigio, the owner of this resort, one of our closest family friend. Okay, so we're gonna tour you around the place, okay? Yeah! Meron silang swimming pool, of course the beach and the place. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Okay, that's the swimming pool, no? Doon kami nakatira. And then meron din dito.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Ito yung daan papuntang beach. Okay, so pwede kayo mag-unwind dito, mag-relax. Then ito yung beach, guys. So punta tayo sa baba. So this is the stair made of wood pa rin, okay? Tugas na wood. Careful lang. Yun, okay. Baba, punta tayo dito. Pwede pa kayo magkaupo dito. And then watch the sea over here. So, parang mini bridge ah. So again, dito meron ng ano, parang bar ah. So dito na kayo mag-beach. Kasi low tide ngayon, kasi kung ano pa ito, high tide, mag-abot dito yung ano, yung tubig. But baka later, no, this afternoon mag high tide dito. So low tide pa ngayon. So, ito yung beach, guys. Oh, nice talaga yung place dito. Parang ano to dito? Overlooking sa beach. May upuan pa dito. Nasira na yung ano dito, upuan. So ganda rin ah, overlooking ito. Yeah, nice. So, ano, it's already 11 p.m. Dito pa rin kami sa San Remigio. Nakita mo kanina yung swimming pool, di ba? So, tulog muna kami guys. Shh.
Buti ka video live? Hindi ito nimo. Isa pa dito bisa kaya to. Katulog pa na ano, may wala.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So guys, this is day 2 and then mamaya pauwi na kami. So thanks guys for watching and yeah, see you soon.
Oh,